Yo, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Runescape Dragonwilds for free. This is on Steam, guys, and you're going to be able to get a Steam key or game code that you can redeem, and it's going to supply you with a free copy of Runescape Dragonwilds, and it's pretty expensive. It costs around $30 US. And I thought I'd show you a tutorial on how to go ahead and get Runescape Dragonwilds for free. I spent a few hours trying tons of different methods. And yeah, this is the easiest way that I found. And yeah, you can do this right now on your mobile phone. So just use your mobile, open up the internet browser, and go to Cold Coupons, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like that, guys, into your mobile internet. And it's going to take you to this website. They have lots of pages. At the time of recording this, it is the latest code. You can see it's Runescape Dragonwilds. If it's not at the top or you can't find it, go to the search bar and just search for Runescape. Either way, you're going to find the page. And this is a free game. So you can see there's tons of codes left, guys, and they're verified working. It says get a Steam key for Runescape Dragonwilds for free. Tap on show code. This is going to load up, guys. Code is valid. It says your code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So tap on get full code, guys. And you need to basically unlock your code, and this prevents people from stealing the limited codes. Obviously, it prevents people from getting hundreds of copies of the game. So you need to complete 2 of the free tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions for each. So I have a list of completely free tasks here, and you just need to basically choose 2 and fully complete them by following the instructions that it says. So this one says answer the questions and fill in details. So this is basically a free survey where you would answer the quick questions and input your valid email. Very important you put in correct email if you do one like that, because it does verify you as a real person. You may see different ones. You may see mobile games as well. Just follow the instructions for 2 of them, as I said, and it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and it will say successful, and your code will be revealed. I've already done it, so I didn't want to waste a code for this video, but yeah, that is how to get Runescape Dragonwilds for free. Super easy. It does only take a few minutes, and it is going to save you around $30 US. So yeah, well worth it.
So go to Cold Coupons and find the Runescape Dragonwilds code and just unlock your specific code, guys, and enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you think of the game. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.